Welcome back to Download to Play. Today we are making Mario Kart Hot Wheels cars go down a ramp. And we're going to do it in slow-mo. So here are the cars we are going to use. We got Peach in the standard cart. Red Yoshi in a different cart. Toad in the sneaker. Luigi in the standard cart. Yoshi in the standard cart. Side Guy in, I call that the extra boost. Waluigi in the fancy car. Mario in the standard cart. Another Mario in the Mars 8. And Luigi in the Circus Special. Okay, so let's get started. Princess Peach, let's see what she's going to do.
Peach is going so fast, her ponytail's blowing in the wind.
Peach,
Boom!
Peach taking a perfect landing.
Perfect. Oh, Red Yoshi, what's he got in store? Come on, Red Yoshi. Could you go any slower, Red Yoshi? Oh, out of frame.
Okay, let's see what Toad in the sneaker's going to do.
Oh, Toad! Oh, Endo! Oh, flipped
flip.
over. Good thing he's wearing a helmet.
Yeah.
Oh, are they twins?
Yoshi and Luigi. Trying to be twins, going to the same thing.
Twinners! Crunch! Oh, looks like they both had a safe landing. Oh, Waluigi and
Side Guy.
trying to be twins also. What are they going to do? What are they going to do?
Oh, front flip
both
and
of them.
side flip.
Ooh.
Let's see what Mario are going to do.
Oh. Well, one Mario left the other Mario in the dust.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Luigi.
a go kart.
Circus Special. Make a
Circus
front flip.
He did like a two flipper. Holy cow. Oh, slow-mo action. Whoa!
Oh, that's it. Let's see what Toad's going to do.
Oh, Endo, perfect landing. Stopped on a dime.
Yeah.
Here comes Mario in the regular car, right?
Okay.
Ooh, boom! Oh, he hit Toad right in the head.
Okay, Princess Peach.
Flying down the hill once again. Ooh,
Woohoo!
off screen, perfect landing.
Okay.
Side Guy,
Side
what do
Guy.
you? Ooh! Front flip.
Luigi crash.
Boom. Oh, wow.
Red Yoshi doing a
Flippity flip.
yeah. Oh, Waluigi trying to do the same. Luigi trying to do
Holy
the same.
cow.
Luigi does a somersault and doesn't stop.
Did they walk away from
Yoshi
that?
drives backwards.
Backwards Yoshi, holy smokes. It's Peach again. She's always going so fast. Boom!
Oh, perfect
Good landing.
landing.
Where's the right 10? Stop. It's Yoshi now going down the hill. Let's see what happens.
And
Ooh,
perfect
wow.
landing.
I think he has more perfect landings than anyone.
Yeah, okay, Luigi.
What you got here for us, Luigi in the circus? Go!
Oh, he does a front flip
flipped.
over Mario.
They both touched heads like boom.
Okay, Mario's turn.
Here we go, Mario. What do you got? Boom. Oh,
Ooh,
landed.
nice job.
Good job, Mario. Oh, Red Yoshi going right off the edge. Boom, off screen.
So,
What do you got for us, Toad? Oh, Toad going down and another perfect landing for Toad. Whoa,
well, Waluigi doing a roll sweep.
wow, rolling.
Oh, Yoshi doing a cartwheel. And Mario doing a other side cartwheel. Oh,
What are you doing,
Luigi?
Luigi? Backwards
backwards
in the
drop.
circus.
Oh, Side Guy doing the tornado.
That is the tornado, that's for sure. He's all shook up and lands on all fours.
Mario.
Doing a what? A stop at the edge of the cliff? Come on, Mario.
Okay, this Mario's probably going to do it the exact same.
Oh, wah. Spin Yoshi, let's see what you...
Yoshi.
Oh, he does front
Endo.
wheelie and then an endo. Holy smokes. And he stops at the cliff. Oh, let's see what do we got here, Luigi? Is he going to make it past the cliff?
No!
Oh, he's going to stop in time to run.
Okay, Side Guy, what's he going to do?
Oh, flip.
Grab.
That's it.
Okay, Waluigi, what's he going to do?
Oh, he did a front wheelie. Endo lands on all fours before the cliff. Good job.
Okay, now let's go.
Wham.
He made it!
Punch, but he landed on his head.
And two.
Come on, Toad. What have you got here?
Oh.
Oh, stops at the cliff. Let's give Toad another chance to see what happens.
Well, Endo and two.
Boom. Perfect landing again for Toad. He's the luckiest guy around. Ooh, fancy car with a front flip lands on all fours. Oh, a little front wheelie action, and oh, that's all fours perfectly.
Okay.
Red Yoshi. Oh, flip, bumped his head. Too bad he wasn't wearing a helmet.
Okay, let's see.
Come on, come on.
And
Oh,
whoa,
oh.
he takes a flying shot.
That was a good shot. All right, guy, what do you got for us? Oh, crash. But he lands on all fours. And it's Peach. Always going so fast. If I had a ponytail, I would make it look like that all the time.
Oh, Peach takes fly in the air, doing a tornado in the air.
And not Yoshi, Luigi, what do you got? Boom!
Landing
Call
on
the
our
insurance
Okay.
adjuster.
Mario.
Come on, Mario. Flippity bang bang or safe landing. That's it. All of the characters today were not injured. They all walked away just fine. Right here.
Remember to leave a comment so we know who you're rooting for.
Yeah, who are you rooting for? Big Luigi, Little Luigi, Toad? I don't know.
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday. Three different videos. What's that? Oh, right. I drawn a marker on my face today.